Okay, hi, it's Ed Winslow from NicheQuest, and I'm just going to run through a website that was recently created by a client, and there are the site is not ranking, and there's a number of things that are going to prevent this site from ranking. Now, first of all, the good thing is that it's built on a WordPress platform, which typically will rank really well. Google crawls through the WordPress sites pretty nicely. But you got to have the page content written the right way. There are certain things that you need to nail down for Google to understand what this page is about and what this website is about. Because if you don't tell Google what the site's about, Google's not going to know. So there are certain things they're looking for, and let's take a quick look. Now, first of all, from a user perspective, one thing I don't like about this site is that when you land on the site right here, it doesn't tell you where Vreeland Enterprises works. They could be anywhere, but it's a nice looking site. Then as you scroll down here, you can see that this site was built like this section here, right? You can see septic systems and repair. Then you've got underground utility, grading and landscaping. These are not really like one page. It's like it's like individual pages that have been stitched together. So I'm not really liking anything that I don't think it's wise to sacrifice performance for design, because great looking site, but if the site doesn't rank, it's a totally worthless site. And the purpose of this site is to get it ranked and to get leads off the site. That was the whole purpose of this entire exercise for this client. So let's take a look at a couple things. Now, first of all, when we look at what Google's looking at, the first thing we need to do is we need to look at the source code. So when you right click your mouse, this menu will pop up and you can see view page source. So let's take a look. So on this one here, now I'm going to hit Control F on my keyboard and I get this little field that pops up here. Now I can search for certain things. So let's take a look at the title of the page. It's a title tag. Okay, great. Here we are. Home Vreeland Enterprises. That's not going to help. You got to tell, ideally we want to indicate what this, not just the company name, but what they do and where they do it. Okay. Now, another factor that's very important is your meta description. Let's see. Now, meta description is good. Okay, excavating contractors in Sussex County, NJ. And then they've got some supporting words here. So this is really good. But I would take advantage of I would say something like excavating contractors in Sussex County, New Jersey. Vreeland Enterprises are excavators for septic systems, underground utility site development, blah, 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 in northern New Jersey, and I would spell out New Jersey. So because you're missing an opportunity to tell Google a little bit more about where you are. Let's see. So we scroll down. Oh, let's take a look at our H tag. So we've got our H1 tag. See, H1 tag really, really key for telling Google what this page is about. There's no H1 tag. So how's the site going to rank? Google's not going to know what the site really is about. And this is where the problem is. Let's just put this on pause for 1 second. Okay, so let's go and take a look at our H2 tag. Again, another heading tag. It's got the word gym in there. That is not helping. This is not working out really well. And then actually below it, you can see we've got an H3 tag. It's got JW Construction. This is very, very misleading. So it's not helping any optimization at all. So let's look at a couple other pages. Okay, your About page. Now, this is, this is not a page to be overlooked. I mean, it's another page. You got to make the effort to create the page and upload the content and everything like that. So where's the photo? And photos are important. We want to tag those photos. Okay. So there's no photo here. Photo optimization is really important. That's anything that we can do to give us another edge. And there's no reason why you should ever make an effort online and not try and get some advantage, because there are just too many clicks and there's so many little things that you do that are going to help. So I would take advantage of putting a photo here. Now I'm going to take a look at the page source. And again, I mean, look at this. About Vreeland Enterprises, totally worthless. No wonder the site's not going to rank. Now, over here, you've got your description. You know, that's okay. That's good. Again, actually, this one is very good. Sussex County, NJ, and Northern New Jersey. Residential commercial clients. Excavation contractors. Boom. That's a really good title description. But what about, or I'm sorry, meta description. What about the title? Doesn't have anything here. So let's do our click Control F. Let's look at our H1 tag. H1 tag, there's nothing here. There's no, I mean, this is why this site is not ranking. H2, satisfaction guaranteed. That doesn't help. H3, there's not even an H3 tag. So that's why this page is not ever going to rank. And, you know, just a great opportunity and it's missed. But that can be fixed. So let's go over here. Let's look at underground utility excavation. Okay, a lot of good content here, but not really telling a lot about where, hang on one second. Sorry about that, I had to take a little break there. Okay, so they mentioned Sussex County, NJ. That's okay. But you know, down here at the bottom, this is a great opportunity to do a final paragraph, summarize the page, turn this into an H3 tag, and say underground utility excavation in northern New Jersey, and then create a that would be your H3 title, and then down here you could create another paragraph that says you know, Vreeland Enterprises specializes in underground utility excavation and, you know, other services in northern New Jersey in the following, you know, 5 towns and surrounding local areas. That would be a great way to do that page. Okay, let's take a quick Control F. Control F. Hold on a second. Again, it really would be to the benefit of this site. If you look at the title here, underground utility excavation, we don't need Vreeland Enterprises here. But what would be really nice would be to put underground utility excavation in northern New Jersey, and then this description here, not bad. That's fine. That's fine. You could mention a couple town names here. Let's take a look at our H1 tag. Again, not telling us anything. You know, it's H2 tag. Okay, now the H2, it does mention the local area, but the H3 tag, again, there's no H3 tags. You know, I like to take advantage of an H1, H2, and H3. You don't always have to do that, but I just find an H3 tag is a great place to use your geographic locations. So let's move on and let's look at storm and water retention. And I'm going to try and get through this quickly. Okay, you know, we're looking at the same, you know, every page has the same issue. Leaving out a couple little things. So let's hit our Control F. Let's go look at our title. Okay, again, we don't need Vreeland Enterprises. Okay, we don't need Vreeland Enterprises. What we need is Northern New Jersey or Sussex County, New Jersey. Again, not bad. Sussex County, New Jersey tells a little bit, okay, not bad. But you can mention, you know, easily could mention some town names here. Otherwise, that's very good, but you're missing that geographic area. I mean, if you don't tell Google where you are and what you do, how are they supposed to know? They're just a robot. H1, okay. You can see here retention pond excavation. Where are you? What do you do? It's H2. Stormwater retention in Sussex County, not bad. Okay. And H3, there is no H3. So basically, we're seeing the same issue on every single page. Every single page has the same issue. Every single page is the same. Every page has the same problem. Okay, my computer is a little slow here. Let's see. And let's take a look at this here. Okay. I mean, they're doing a good job with the photos. Whoops, excuse me. Doing a decent job with the photos, but, you know, and this is good here, but it's not good enough. I'm sorry. You want to rank, you got to do it right. Okay, here we go. Here's a good one. Here's a decent page. Septic system insulation in Sussex County, NJ. Boy, I'll tell you, number one, if somebody lands on this page, you do a search, you click the link, you land on this page, man, does this tell what it is. Septic system insulation in Sussex County, NJ, Vreeland Enterprises. You see a bunch of stuff right up here in the menu bar. You see a photo right at the top. Boy, you know that you're dealing with somebody who knows how to excavate. That's what they do. You know, I like that they've got some links. Whoops. Okay. Anyway, and this is good down here. I like this is good. Whoops. This is good here. Let's see if I can get that. Anyway, yeah, that is a great heading 3 tag. So let's take a quick look at this, and I want to wrap up this video. So let's do a quick title. Okay, boom, we've got perfect. Get Vreeland Enterprises out of here. We don't need that. It's taking up space. H1 tag. H1 tag, septic, perfect. That's good. Let's take a look at the description. Meta description. Where's our description? Right here. Blah, blah, blah. In Sussex County. That is not bad. They could add a couple town names in here. That would help. And let's take a look at H1. Let's take a look at H2. Okay, H2 tag, not bad. This is fine, but I would take advantage of this here not to add Sussex County again. I don't think you need it here in your H2 tag. And I would vary it a little bit. Like maybe Six systems, installers. I would try and vary that keyword phrase a little bit. And H3, local area. Okay, here we go. Local areas and places we serve. You know, again, you know, that's okay. But what I would do, I would put septic system installation in the beginning. I would put local areas and places we serve at the end. I would switch it around. And then I would create, I wouldn't just list towns, because this is really, this is like keyword stuffing. This is not good. And I would make a nice sentence out of it, make it read right. I would only use 5 or 6 towns. That's what I would do. So anyway, that's it for this video. I'm gonna wrap this one up, and then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna show you how I edit the pages.